Hey everyone, this is Leon from 4130 Motorsports and LCS Racing and Performance, and today we're going to walk through on how to install the DBR battery box and ever necessary Vortex cage. The first thing you'll want to do is remove your stock battery box. You'll need to remove your battery, your starter relay, and also your stock ECU from the back of the box, and pull that right out of there. Next, you'll prepare the parts for installation by installing the starter relay on the battery box, removing the rubber grommets, collars, and bolts from the factory ECU mount and installing them on the new Vortex cage mount, and also installing the rubber grommets to the Vortex cage on the 2 side holes on each side and the 4 back holes. Once you have everything installed, you may go ahead and slip your Vortex into the cage. Now it is going to be a tight fit, as the rubber grommets are going to keep it nice and snug in there and reduce vibration and damage to your Vortex. Once you have that in there, go ahead and slip the plate over it and we can work on fastening it to the back plate. Once you have your Vortex cage mounted securely to the plate, you may mount it to the back of the battery box in the standard ECU location, and then mount the box and Vortex assembly to your subframe. Once you have it in there, now you have a nice, secure, strong mount for your Vortex, as well as a nice, strong battery box that's not going to crack and have the battery fall out over time. Now let me show you one other way, the LCS way of mounting the Vortex cage to your battery box. Now you'll begin by marking and drilling 2 3/16" holes on the bottom of the battery box. Next, you'll use the supplied hardware to mount the Vortex cage to the front of your battery box. Now this is going to keep your Vortex tucked inside the subframe of your ATV and keep it nice and safe in case there is an accident, someone rear ends you, or you crash bad enough that damages some parts. Your Vortex is tucked inside and not hanging inside your plastic pocket of the rear fenders. And there it is. Vortex nicely tucked in, safe in front of the battery box. Nice strong battery box. I did go ahead, finish it off with a 4Works carbon battery hold down. But there it is. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps you install your DBR battery box and Vortex cage. Be safe and happy riding.